Hello everyone, my name is Iskandar Arba and this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. In this project, I have to design an eBay-like e-commerce auction site that will allow users to post auction listing, place bid on listing, comment on those listings, and add listing to watchlist. The first requirement is models. My application should have at least 3 models in addition to the user models, one for auction listing, one for bids, and one for comments made on auction listing. For the auction listing models, these are the fields that I have decided to. User, category for the listing, product, as for the listing title name, description for the listing, the starting and current bid for the listing, date created and updated, and the winner for the listings. The next model is bid. The field for this model I decided to have the user, the product listing that the user bid on, then the price and the date. The third model is comment. The field for this model are the user, the listing, the comment, and the date. Apart from that, I also have added a few models for this project. I have added category models and listing image models. Create listing. User must be signed in first to create a new listing. They can specify the category, the title for the listing, a text-based description, and what the starting bid should be. User can also provide image for the listing. User can access their created listing in their My Account listing page. Active listing page. The default route of this web application lets the user view all the currently active auction listing. For each of the active listing, display the title of the listing, a description of the listing, the date and the time of the listing created, the owner, and the current price for the listing. Listing page. Clicking on a listing should take the user to a page specific to that listing. On this page, user be able to see all the details about the listing, including the current price of the listing. If the user is signed in, the user able to add the item to their watch list. The user can see their watch list in the watch list page, and the user can remove the item from their watch list. If the user is signed in, the user able to bid on the item. The bid must be at least as large as the starting bid price and must be greater than any other bid that have been placed. If the user is signed in and the owner of the listing, the user have the ability to close the auction from this page and make the highest bidder winner of the auction and makes the listing no longer active. Users who are signed in can add comment to the listing page. The listing page lists all the comments that have been made on the listing. Watch list. Users who are signed in be able to visit a watch list page which display all the listings that the user has added to their watch list, and clicking on those listings will take the user to that listing page. Categories. User can visit any category of listing. Clicking on the name of any of the category will take the user to a page that display all of the active listing in that category. Django admin interface. Through the Django admin interface, the site administrator should be able to view, add, edit, and delete any listing comment and bid made on the site.